Hello everyone, this is Diksha. I'm from grade 9 of Business Academy. One of my interests is to become an entrepreneur, and in this video I'll be elaborating you on the company of Paperboat as part of my CFC pillar activity. I hope you'll enjoy it. Before I continue on with my video, I would like to say as a disclaimer that all the information collected in this video are from well-certified websites like crunchbase.com and also the company's own website, as you can see to the right. This company named Paperboat was founded in the year 2009 and is based on juice and beverages, especially Indian traditional drinks. The parent organization of Paperboat is Hector Beverages. In other words, the organization which formed the company Paperboat is Hector Beverages. The headquarters of Paperboat is located in a city called Gurugram in the state of Haryana in India. As I said in the previous slide, you can find the website of this company if you go to the link paperboatdrinks.com. The world right now, being modern, are forgetting the tradition and past that are to be valued, and to bring them back is what Paperboat strives for. That is, to preserve ethnic recipes through innovation. Again, the mission of this company is very similar to its vision. Their mission is to preserve Indian traditional recipes using innovation to make ethnic Indian drinks and make them available to people living in urban areas. We all know the key activity of Paperboat is the production of Indian traditional beverages. But to achieve this mission, they need a lot of equity. And so they get lots of funds from their parent company, Hector Beverages, Sofina Ventures, Investment 2, and etc. You can see them under the revenue subheading. Their key partners is again their parent organization and Indonesian Foods. Indonesian Foods is a Japanese food giant that are the makers of the famous top ramen noodles in India. They have partnered with Paperboat, and it will help Paperboat gain a lot of inspiration for creating new flavors and also enhance their distribution in new geographical areas. Isn't it interesting? They are able to relate to their customers by making beverages that help them relive and taste their childhood memories and their past. The customers, sometimes even the employees of the company, are able to post reviews on Paperboat on various social media platforms. Paperboat naturally contribute a lot to people who love Indian beverages and who prefer natural drinks over aerated drinks. They also contribute to customers who are planning to put a stop to aerated drinks and move on to the healthier side of drinks, that is that of Paperboat too. The special features of Paperboat is that they create juices made of traditional flavors of India with no preservatives and no added colors. And also that they put a lot of their effort into packaging. Though the packaging is not recyclable, it is eco-friendly. They advertise their company on various platforms such as websites, social networking pages, through digital ads, and etc. They spend a lot of their money on manufacturing, especially the packaging part of manufacturing, as I said before, and to discover and innovate new flavors, and also to transport their goods to various parts of different countries and especially India, also for their infrastructure. Yes, the video has come to an end. I hope you all gained some information out of this, and this is Diksha signing off.